Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkPad X280. Today we're going to be replacing the base cover assembly. This process will take about 5 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The tools required will be a Phillips screwdriver and a non-metallic pry tool. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Loosen the 5 screws on the bottom of the system. Pry up the clips around the edges of the cover. Lift the cover from the system. Align the bottom cover with the system and press down around the edges to lock the clips into place. Tighten the 5 screws on the bottom of the system.